Boxer's glove looks like a little bit like a glove. I love it. It's a lot of fun. This first turn is going to be a little bit sharp, so you're going to need to really take this first part slow, and then it's a big loop. We'll go ahead and familiarize ourselves with it. Let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go a little bit wide because I need to make it around this first cone, and then it's around all of these cones, and then once I pass this cone, I have to cut in around that and then exit out. Okay, familiarize ourselves. 14.53. So once again, around this first cone, and then it's all the way around, and then you have to cut in, and then you have to go around this middle cone at the very end. So, okay, cool, I got it. Here we go. So nice and wide. Look, 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 slow it down. Friction zone, throttle control, head and eye movement. That's almost like a figure eight, kind of change of direction right there. So right here, it's almost like a swerve. Swerve. And I'm just kind of in first gear this whole time. 13.308. All right, the next one's gonna be called the kidney. Let's go ahead and jump into that one.